This is episode 11, but episode 2 of our day in the life.
We left home to travel the world and brought work with us. Follow the journey as we immerse ourselves in cultures around the globe and inspire others to do the same.
We're Brandon and Erin. Subscribe and stay tuned.
We have a very long day today. It's about 8 a.m. and we're about to head out to our co-working space to work for a couple of hours. We're also taking a yoga class today, hopefully getting in some lunch, and I have to teach my workshop at Ballet Centro Artístico.
When we set out to travel for 16 months, a lot of people were saying, "Oh, that's so great that you're going on a vacation, and how are you affording to do it for so long?" Well, the answer to that is that we're working the entire time. So this is sort of a showcase of our working life while we're traveling on the road. Granted, we still have weekends where we can explore and do fun things, but during the week, we're often working all day. Erin's now teaching her dance workshop this week. We're very busy, so we love to show you our life on the road. Let's go!
Ooh, donuts.
You want a donut?
Yeah.
Hola.
Hola.
Queremos dos donuts. Gracias. These donuts are so good.
And this is Selina.
So this is Selina, our co-working space. It's also a hotel and it's a bar, and I think they have a restaurant. It's a huge place, but we use the co-working. It's great.
Hola, buenas. Hola, buenas. Buenas. Selina has so many amenities that we took advantage of a lot. The space is huge. There's a yoga studio that we took class about once or twice a week. I often use that studio to choreograph for my workshop. An amazing terrace. It has a great view of the river. There's also a kitchen where you can store your food, heat up anything you want. We didn't really use this that often. Nor did we use the library, but a great little space. You could easily get lost in how big this space is with so many different rooms. The cinema room was really cool. We did see it in action once, but I couldn't find the lights. The restaurant has happy hour every day, and on Fridays, if you're a part of the co-working space, you got a discount on your happy hour drink. There were a lot of cool programs that Selina put on. Brandon might like this one. From our experience, we definitely recommend staying at Selina, whether you're in Cuenca or they also have locations all around the globe. This seems like an awesome place to stay for a while and get to meet people. See you tomorrow. Thank you. See you.
So we're going to Chinatown. We just left the co-working space. I got like 4 hours of work in and got to take a yoga class. Now off to lunch.
Bye, Selina. There's our sticker. So hungry. This is our third time at Chinatown, and the food here is so good. It's so amazing. Normally we get dumplings as well as like a little appetizer, but since I'll be teaching in less than an hour, we wanted to not get too full. And Pearl Harbor is on in Spanish, so we're watching. This movie's insane. Brandon's never seen it. This is my sister's like favorite movie when she was like 10. Weird, right? Always keep the spirit of Christmas alive, even in September. Now we are headed to Balletti Centro Artistico for my 4th day of my workshop. This is where Brandon sits when I'm teaching.
So I'm not bothering anybody.
It's hard, but that's the fun part. Yeah? Day 4 of my workshop was amazing. We're going to the market and we're gonna get vegetables.
Hola.
Ooh, that one's good.
Los tomates. Así lleve 50.
50?
Gracias.
Yeah,
Muchas gracias. Oh, those are super dark.
Yeah.
So,
In a market like this, you don't have to settle.
I don't know who's the owner of this shop.
I don't know.
These are ginormous. Dos pimientos, uno cebolla blanca.
Gracias. So we had another successful market trip. We made out very well today. We got 2 tomatoes, 2 avocados, 1 lime, 2 peppers, onion, a big one, zucchini, 2 plantains. All of this cost $3.25. We did pretty good today.
Brian is just finishing up a couple hours of work, and I was just on the rooftop catching the sunset. I'll probably start cooking dinner soon.
Just finishing up some work for the day. I got 4 hours done earlier when we were at the co-working space, and now I've got 2 left to meet my 6 hours for the day.
I'm gonna use this as my apron. Pretty good apron, right? We're gonna close out the video here. Thanks for watching our day in the life. Subscribe if you're new and follow the journey.
Whoa! To the right. Erin's lost.
That's 50 Cent. I'm looking at you. This is real life.